How to know if someone blocked you from seeing their story on Snapchat. So the first step is by opening your Snapchat app, and then there is still no definite way in which you may be able to see someone blocked you unless you may use someone's account or someone's phone and then look at their story. And if that other person or that other account can see the story of that specific person while you cannot view it, then that means that you have been blocked or hidden from their stories. Also, you may go to your chat section right here and then send them a private snap. And then if they see your private snap and then you still can't see their stories, then most likely you have been blocked. So again, there is still no definite way in knowing you have been blocked in your from their Snapchat, I mean. So that's it. That's how you may know if someone blocked you on Snapchat story.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.